Z.
Yes, that's the letter Z. Next letter. Beside the letter U. Where's the letter U? Beside the letter U. Where's the U? Where is the letter U? You show me the letter U.
Besides the yellow one.
This?
Almost. Yes, almost. Kasi ito wrong to na.
Almost done. Very good.
Laban yan.
Very good. That's correct. You put it there. Here. Yes. You just turn it. Turn it around. Turn it. Turn it. Okay. And shoot. Alright.
It's right, baby. It's right.
That's correct.
Okay.
It's there.
Nice.
How about the last letter? Very good.